Today I picked up this Onn Multicolored LED TV backlight for my son's room. Here's the box before opening it. On the back it lays out all the specs: multicolor lighting, sound reactive modes, USB powered, and designed to go right behind your TV. Nothing complicated, just a simple setup that promises a nice effect. Once you open the box, everything you need is included. You get the LED strip lights, the remote, the batteries for the remote, and the instruction manual. I always appreciate when batteries are included because it means you can set everything up right away without stopping. Installing it was very straightforward. You stick the LED strips onto the back of the TV, plug it in, and turn it on. From there, you can cycle through all the different colors and lighting modes using the remote. There are solid colors, fading effects, and also a sound reactive mode that changes with whatever's playing on the TV. That part is actually pretty fun because if you're going to be playing music or have a game going on, it looks really cool. This is what it looks like when I set it up in my son's room on his TV. It adds a nice glow behind the screen and really changes the overall vibe of the space, especially at night. For $6.97 at Walmart, I honestly think it looks way better than you'd expect. One thing I do want to mention is the power setup. When it's plugged directly into the TV's USB port, it can and will shut off. To avoid that, I went on Amazon and picked up a USB extension for $4.95 so it could be plugged into a wall outlet instead. That made a big difference, and now it works consistently and won't shut off. Overall, this was a solid little purchase. It was easy to install, it does exactly what it's supposed to do, and it adds a nice touch to my son's room. He's pretty happy with the look, and I'm happy that he's happy. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them down below, and thank you for watching.